Alright, today I got this little master lock. I don't know what model this is. It's a Dimple lock. Doesn't have any markings on the lock itself for the model, and of course I threw the package out a while ago, but here's what the key looks like. Little 6-pin Dimple lock. And I've heard these are, fairly common over in like the UK, but I mean you don't see these here in America. There was 2, feels like 5, yeah, that was 5. There was 2. Alright, there's 5 again. I overset something, so I had to loosen up on the tension there and let stuff fall. I believe that was 1. There's 4. There's 2. There's 4 again, and 6. And there you go. No way to gut this thing. But definitely a fun little lock. Like I said, you don't really see these here in the US with that dimple core, so even though I don't know why Master Lock doesn't sell. I mean, obviously it's still a small lock, so even with that hexagon shackle, it's not like this would be terribly difficult to cut through and, you know, attack destructively, but why not make those dimple cores and put it on, say, like the 930 or something, you know, something bigger, more substantial. I don't know. Or even just selling these. You know, this is the shackle size and stuff is pretty close to like a number 3 master lock, and instead of a 4-pin all standard core, you got a dimple core, solid body instead of laminated, and a hardened shackle. So I'd rather use this than a number 3. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.